Hello guys, it's Scarlett from Acer. Now I'm in Dongguan, Edgar Auto Parts Company. This company was founded in 2011 with design offices and manufacturing plants in Dongguan City, China. Supplies economical solutions and innovative harnesses for many industries like automotive, machinery, medical, electrical, and other wire assembly. We can say here is Edgar's workshop. It's very big.
The total area is over 7,260 square meters, with employees more than 250 people and fully equipment such as cutting, crimping, soldering, molding, packing, and testing.
Edgar's advantage is to offer quick solutions and professional services, quick prototype samples, and deliver with integral manufacturing link, quality ensured by Automotive Service Parts Management Procedure, APQP, and the PPAP.
Edgar brings in scientific project management methods to charge new projects that combines ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality management.
Edgar is good at risk analysis and control with experienced team and scientific project management than rather 3D and 2D design during planning. Edgar's products sell well in foreign market. Their products exported to clients in such regions as North America, Europe. They also welcome OEM and ODM orders. If you are looking for the best wire harness, Edgar will be your best choice. You can check the website, and Edgar will respond within 24 hours.